Hi, in today's video I wanted to share with you a hash brown recipe, and actually I haven't had hash browns until pretty recently, but since I discovered them I've been having them super frequently, and they are so delicious and they're quite nutritious when you add a lot of vegetables like I enjoy doing. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe. For this recipe, you will need 6 medium potatoes, which is about 1 kilogram or 2 pounds. You will also need 1 onion sliced, a few mushrooms sliced, 1 to 2 cups of bell pepper strips. I like to use frozen ones, but you can of course use fresh. Also, you will need 3 to 4 cups of spinach and some spices. I use 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, and 1 teaspoon turmeric, but of course you can customize it to your own taste preferences. And once you have all your ingredients ready, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Start by grating the potatoes either by hand or using a food processor. You can also always buy potatoes that already have been grated in the frozen section of many grocery stores. And then you will add those potatoes into a large bowl with all of your spices and mix it together until the potatoes are fully coated with spices. Then you will add the bell peppers, mushrooms, and onions into the bowl and mix it all together. Then, on a pre-lined baking sheet, add a bed of spinach. On top of that, add the hash brown mixture, and then add some more spinach on the very top. Then put it in the oven for 30 minutes. I like to check on it halfway through and add some water if necessary so that nothing gets burnt. And when the 30 minutes were up, I actually took it out to see if it's crunchy enough, and I mixed it all around and saw that I wanted a little bit more crunch, so I added another 10 minutes in the oven to really crisp it up, and then it was ready to serve and enjoy. I like sometimes to have it just by itself, other times I have it on the side of some steamed vegetables or a salad. And I also enjoy adding some hot sauce on top if you like that spicy kick. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. If this was your first time here, make sure to subscribe down below so you can join the Living Life Simply community and never miss another video. And I will see you all very soon with a new video. Bye!